Nentuko 15 ira chumbita kwethira igekinya aturumo muthenya jona arua ira chumbita kwethira ikejano ni Mr. Omeshetho Jawa Amina Mohamed kweja kwethira kineni gekino kweja kwethira keni gekinoru chumbita kwethira gikithirikiria gwakwa muthenya jona arua rwangirwa sport Kenya ni chumbita kwethira rwikinya keni negikina kwethira jwetagera manzera bombita kwethira bakirikaniria ethira chumbita kwethira jekinyanira kulingana na otwire bo bombeta kuthira betumenyithia antu bara bombeta kuthira berwa ngina ro kuthira bagiaka ruterene rwa stima amana gwikira roje ni bo bombeta kuthira besiri ithiria ngugeje na kuthira beboria bombe kuthira bagita ngugeje kirazima na gutigira ngugeje ni gweta bwega ni bo gete bongerete ntuku ingi monga ntariki thatwanki mweri juju kenda kenki kiumba kuthira gikirikirwa na rushabiru mba kuthira kinenkanero ndene Meru County.
Okay, yes, today we have come to Kinoru. As we promised the last time we were here with the CS, we promised that we will be here on the 15th to supervise and inspect the progress of works. We have the contractor on site, all the contractors for the various sites, and they have signed to complete the works by the 30th of July. We are here today to ensure that the work is going towards delivering the field or this project by the 31st. So I have come here on behalf of the CS to ensure that work is moving as per the program of works. Well, we are satisfied in some areas where work is moving as per plan. There are other areas that there are some laxity, like in the electricals, but we have given firm instructions to the electrical contractor to ensure that they work 24/7, to ensure that they deliver their side of works, to enable the other contractors to complete the works. We are convinced, seeing what is going on, we are convinced that by the 30th of this month, the contractors will be able to hand over the keys to us. Well, the issue of the pitch, we will be having water. We will be watering it from next week. The plumber and the person doing the water reticulation will complete the works by Saturday, and then we will have this pitch watered starting from Sunday. And by the time we are receiving we are receiving the pitch, we believe this grass will be green. And then we start the treatment. As you can see, there are foreign plants in the pitch where the treatment process will take place to ensure that we apply the selective weed killers to remove the unwanted weeds in the pitch. But we want to assure you that by the end of the month we will have the field ready for operations.
Ibwega naro turaje Kenya ya Kinoru tuna Director General wa Sports Kenya kana murungamiri wa Manta Michetho kana Prostator rungamira Manta Michetho ndene Kenya uraba areaja bimebiri bidirive na CS Amina Mohamed begeta kuona ngugira bayajanira Kinoru Stadium uraenderete na uraburikana ibo ugire bakeja kairi naru atariki 15 mwezi wa July, and I'm happy that you came. You kept your promise. You've come as promised by the CS Amina, and we are glad for that. Itugwiri tu monono ntu naru wakweja bakuthiuruka bakona rangugi kari na jora bauga kwino batagwirwo rangugi enderete spindi rangugi enderete no mantu ja stima mtoro stima na barabara uje batagwirwo muno nurangugira enderete na lakini narua boba ntuko inkai muno mba Jumamosi bethe bakuthiria ngugi gwitigere kwa mbugi itugwiri tu muno ja county government of Meru nonto the support from Sports Kenya, from the Ministry of Sports through Ambassador Amina Mohamed and the entire team really. We appreciate tukuibwaga muno nonto bakuyukia mantu jeje ya Kinoru seriously na kuhakikisha urabugire gwikinya tariki 31 mweri juju kana mwisho jwa mweri juju wa mugwanja bukeja aja kairi kunenkanira kieni ja Kinoru kiri thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru kiri mheshimiwa gavana Kiraitu Murungi nontu no bunenkere kieni kenda bwitira ngugi gitano into international standards na tugibwa gitu kuwirwa muno we are looking forward really to getting back the stadium and start using it, because the people of Meru are really yearning, and really the people of Kenya, because we are receiving requests from all over for people to use the stadium. Kwa hiyo tukuibwega sana nontu bwa kweja kwao na no ushore bubu bwenderete between county government of Meru na national government, Sports Kenya and the other agencies of the national government, na mbugibwega muno ki governor wetu nontu bwa gututethia tumochore bubu nontu narakunda gwitaga tumochore thirikari ya county na thirikari ya national na achore bangi gupartner atwe kenda Meru yetu yona maendeleo. Kwa hiyo rutere wa sports mbuge we are very happy itugwiritwe muno ni maendeleo ya tukuona na gwikinya mwisho ya mweri juju Kinoru ikebe kuthira ya Kenya international standards na nenkaniro kithirikari county ya Meru kenda Amiru betu na tubangi ba Kenya gomba kuenjoy kieni giki kia Kinoru. Asante.
Nkiripotera Shamero Digital TV bitoka Imenyi Omwirigi.